Both parents are needed. Children need love of both parents. Couples thinking of divorce should give second and third thought to stick around for the sake of children. Their growing up is heavily dependent on presence of both parents. Father is as much required as the mother. The alimony will not substitute the love of the father. Those husbands who leave their children and wife for other women are criminals. They deserve no sympathy. In fact, the government must come up with strict laws for those who leave the children for some other partner. It is not an act of intelligence. Divorce must be only seen as a last resort. And if at all it is unavoidable, then the leaving parent, the departing parent, must ensure that he or she gives more than required time and money to their children, because they have done nothing wrong. Let not your decision affect them. Human child needs 10 years of teaching, of pampering, of immense love. In these 10 years, their entire life is shaped. And when the divorce happens, the love, the caring given is never complete. Something will be always missing. It must be remembered that your child needs you. The mother can never be the father, and the father can never be the mother. This is the design of the existence. The two are required together to bring the love. It is very difficult for positive upbringing to happen when marriages are broken. Husbands must realize that the mother has the capacity to become prostitutes for the sake of their children. Such is their love for children. Such is their passion for children. Such a love the father can never have. If you are father, then you have to give enough time. You have to give enough love to your child. This is even more important than paying their school fees. A father should remember that he simply is not the financer. A father cannot neglect his child on the pretext of his work. If nothing much is possible, then nighttime storytelling will do enough good. Coming back from home, do not get glued to your laptop. Spend time with your child. Research has proved that whenever a divorce happens, the husband is more likely to cheat and default. For the mother, to default is very difficult. Growing up and coming into their teens from a broken family, a child is never at ease. This is also unhealthy for the mind of the child. Children are not meant to be left lonely. And divorce means that you as a parent do not have the mental capacity to face hardships. Divorce is a decision coming out of failure. Any decision which comes out of failure, out of stress, swings more towards being wrongful. Divorce is not right because it is not something you will suggest to your daughter or sister or your mother. Children need all the love, attention. They need your quality time.